Are you looking for the top 5 best backup camera? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best backup camera on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Autovox CS2 Wireless Backup Camera Kit. If you want easy installation and great picture quality, the Autovox CS2 offers the best of both worlds. As it's a wireless camera, you should have no problem attaching the camera with built-in wireless transmitter to the back of your car, or mounting the suction cup-enabled screen on your dashboard. That means you can save money by avoiding installation fees. With this wireless backup camera, while wired cameras are more reliable than wireless ones on the whole, the CS2, like the other wireless cameras we've included here, is an exception to that rule. The camera uses digital wireless transmission, which means that there's virtually no interference from other signals and no distortion to the image. Plus, the signal is strong, with Autovox recommending the camera for any vehicle less than 32 feet long. It should be noted that the viewing angle for the CS2 rear-view backup camera is 110 degrees, which may be too narrow for drivers who want a very wide field of vision. However, for parallel and close-quarters parking, 110 degrees works well as it cuts down on the amount of image distortion created on the screen. The Autovox CS2 is pricier than some other car backup camera systems, but the high performance and reliability ensure that customers will be satisfied with the purchase. Number 2. Pyle Backup Car Camera Rearview Mirror Screen with Parking and Reverse Safety Distance Scale Lines. Whether you have a backup camera or not, odds are that you're used to looking at your rearview mirror periodically. Not only were many of us initially taught to incorporate the mirror while backing up, but unless you have a display with rear-view capability, it's the only way to see what's going on behind you while you're driving forward. The Pyle PLCM 4550 combines that natural inclination with the high-tech features of today's driving experience by way of a small 4.3-inch display integrated into a replacement rearview mirror. The weatherproof, wide-angle camera feed automatically activates when shifting into reverse and overlays scale lines that are helpful for gauging distance when squeezing into a tight spot. This Pyle backup camera is designed to work with the mirror rather than replace it. We like how Pyle keeps things simple with a low distraction interface that won't draw your attention while driving. And while its use of a wired camera limits its compatibility with longer trucks and SUV, though a wireless version is available, the direct connection is perfect for most mid-size cars and comes with the benefit of immunity to video interference while reversing. Number 3. eRapta Backup Camera 2.0. We've already seen that eRapta makes the best backup camera for drivers on a budget, so it's no surprise that the brand also makes a relatively inexpensive model that works well for larger vehicles. That model, the eRapta Backup Camera 2.0, is a great choice for making truck driving a bit safer and easier. Like the rear-view safety system, the Backup Camera 2.0 has 4 different cameras meant to be mounted on the rear and sides of a vehicle. The 7-inch split screen can display 1, 2 or 4 camera feeds at once, providing a near-complete view of your surroundings. The eRapta Backup Camera 2.0 is a wired model, and with 4 separate cameras, there's potentially a lot of wiring involved. While you always have the option to seek professional installation, eRapta markets the model as being easy to install. As for many of the other wired camera models on this list, that claim of ease is supported by user reviews on Amazon. Number 4. Xerox One Digital Wireless Backup Camera System Kit. When it comes to finding a backup camera for an SUV, you want something that can give you the precision of a car camera and the coverage range of a truck camera. You also want to keep installation easy, because with a larger vehicle, putting in the wrong wired camera can turn into a huge or expensive job. The Zeroxclub One Digital Wireless Backup Camera Kit covers all of those bases. Since it's a wireless camera, installation is a breeze, with the included monitor plugging into your vehicle's lighter plug if you have one. The signal is also strong, with Zeroxclub touting 100% no interference, and a transmission that works while driving at speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. The included LCD screen is 7 inches, with a 1208 x 720 pixel resolution that offers a clear look at what's going on behind your vehicle. The camera itself is waterproof, with infrared lights, a high-definition image processor, and a 149-degree field of vision. All of these features combine to ensure that the Zeroxclub camera is both accurate and durable, which is important no matter what type of vehicle you drive. Number 5. Yakry HD 720p Digital Wireless Backup Camera Kit. Attaching a trailer to your car presents a few difficulties when it comes to driving and visibility accommodations. First of all, you're driving a vehicle that's suddenly much larger than it usually is, which means that you won't have the level of familiarity or comfort that you would if you drove an RV or truck. Secondly, you can't use a wired backup camera, as it would require a permanent connection between the trailer and your vehicle's dashboard. Yakry's HD 720p Digital Wireless Backup Camera is an ideal choice, considering these limitations. The wireless camera signal is strong, and Yakry recommends it be used on vehicles up to 45 feet long, a range that covers a wide variety of trailers. The model also offers the ease of installation that drivers demand in a wireless camera model.